Hey guys, welcome back to Keys Customs. Very exciting day today. The truck is running. I had it running for a few minutes. So you recall I had a little smoke issue. That was the paint burning off the exhaust manifolds. Let's get the hood open here. Then we had the leak on the side of the block. There was a little flush joint or whatever you want to call it there. But the threads were gone and they just had a rubber cover over it, or a little cap. That didn't hold pressure. So what I did, I took that out and I put a plug in it, pipe plug. So that stopped the leaking. And the paint on the headers just burned off. But we had a no start issue. As you recall, I replaced all the spark plug wires, the points, condenser, and it still wouldn't go. So I took it to a shop, actually the same shop that wired it up for me, Iron Key Restorations in Muskota, Wisconsin. Check them out if you need any restoration needs. They diagnosed the problem. It took a little bit for them. Ended up being the condenser was defective, and also the starter solenoid was defective. So it wasn't getting power to the coil. And for some reason, the condenser, it was all kind of it took a little bit to diagnose it, but they got it going. So I'm very pleased, and nothing better to do but to actually start it up. All right, so I got some mouse protection here so the mices don't get in the air cleaner. She should be good. Let's start her up. Open the door. We don't want to asphyxiate ourselves. Get the door open. So glad to have it running. So it's a little cold-blooded, but I think I've figured out how to get it going here. So put the choke on. Pull the choke, full choke. Pump it 3 times. And then push it into half choke. She's running. Very excited. It's been a long wait, a lot of hard work putting the motor in there and the transmission. This truck didn't have any drivetrain in it when I got it, so it's not the matching engine. It is in terms of the year. It came out of a 68 F100, so the year is correct, and this truck was originally equipped with a 360. So that's what I have in it. I really like the aluminum radiator I put in there. It didn't have a radiator when I got the truck, so I went with an aftermarket three-core radiator, which is made for these trucks. Bolts right in there. Whitwell electric fan. I just like electric fan better. It's got a nice exhaust note. I put Flowmaster American Thunder True Dual exhaust. I think it sounds really nice. I can't finish the other pipe until I get the bed on the truck. But it sounds really nice. So it's very exciting. I'm like I said, very excited to have it going. It's pretty much all stock except for the radiator. I did put these polished, they kind of look period correct, kind of polished, they kind of look like a vintage valve cover on there. Other than that, its wiring is all redone, but it's pretty much stock. And that's what I was going for. I didn't want it to be all modified. I did put a tilt steering wheel in here. That's really gonna add to comfort stuff when you're driving. Horn works. And the interior is going to be stock. I have the original bench seat that I redid. I have to start I'm going to put the headliner in, and I've already got the seat belts mounted, the three-point, which should add to safety. I've got all the sound deadening down, so I can put in the carpeting. I got the glove box in. Got the dash all done. I gotta put the dash pad in. I'll have a video of putting the interior back in the truck. But she's coming along. I gotta put the drive shaft in. I can't drive it yet, but that'll be next. I put the drive shaft in. I gotta bleed the brakes. That's important. You want to be able to stop. But that's an update on the truck, and I'm very happy to have it running. So, just a nice sense of accomplishment. I mean, I needed help getting it running. I couldn't get it diagnosed what it was. But the help, like I said, with the help of Iron Key Restorations, they did a great job, and got it running. So I'm very happy. Well, enjoy your weekend, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and it only helps the channel, bringing more content. Gonna be doing some body work on the truck, and gonna paint it, prime and paint it. That's the next step. So, as always, have a good one.